I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
We all hate salespeople and don't want to become one. What we hate most is when you buy something you don't need just because a salesperson convinces you to pay for it, but in the end, it's useless. But we need to sell everywhere and all the time. You sell yourself to get your current job. You sell your project when you need a loan. When you want something, you sell your ideas. You are constantly selling things. Does this mean you have to become a salesman? It's too discouraging to think that. Good news. Because we love to buy things. We love and are proud to have purchased some objects or services. We tell others when we have bought something really cool or very helpful. Do you see the point? On the one hand, we hate salespeople, but on the other hand, we love to buy. What's the problem? That's where marketing comes in. With marketing, you move to a different way of thinking. You are not there to sell everyone something they don't want. You are not a salesperson. You are there to help and solve customers' problems, and you want to make them happy. You have a product or service that is a solution to a particular problem. You put in front of the person with exactly that problem, the solution you propose. If it fits, the person buys and is happy to have solved their problem. The product or service must be helpful to the buyer. Learning about marketing is often not taken seriously by many entrepreneurs. Let's say you want to have your own business. In this case, even if you invest in a copy-paste solution, you won't succeed without marketing. Indeed, a company does not exist without customers. Are you ready to become a hated hard salesperson, or would you instead attract happy customers who will return to you? I have a free video series I can send you. You'll learn how to create your own business online, and you'll be able to make money without leaving your home. Get out of a job you hate and into the life of your dreams. Start living the life you've always wanted. Click now on the Learn More link below, and I will send you access to this free video series right away. At Deserved Lifestyle, we are here to help you achieve the lifestyle you deserve. If you are not satisfied with your current life and ready to change, don't hesitate to visit deservedlifestyle.com. We have a great solution to help you take back control of your life.
I changed my life completely by using this system. Please do yourself a favor and try it out. I know you'll be amazed.